Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful Monday. Happy Mini Lock Monday, everybody. The mini lock I have for Mini Lock Monday is none other than a TSA certified 007 luggage lock. Ooh. Wowzers. Oh, wowzers. I don't know, for this bad boy, what are we going to do? We're going to go bottom of the keyway. I don't even think I can fit that in. We're going to go top of the keyway. We're going to go anywhere in the keyway. Yeah, I guess it's, I guess right there, I guess it is bottom. And then we're going to pull out our Roblon. And we're going to get to picking. We're going to go boom, boom. I heard a big old click. And there's our open. Woo! Woohoo! Alright guys, that's all I got for you this time. Until next time, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. Happy Mini Lock Monday. Catch you later.